I'm Laura Ferrara.
And I'm Sheila Horne from Ferrara and Horne Realty Group at Barrett Sotheby's International Realty.
And we're here with Brian Smith, the owner of Bfit Bedford.
Hi guys, I'm Brian Smith, owner of Bfit Bedford Transformation Center here in Bedford, Massachusetts.
So Brian, being in the fitness industry, what is your main mission working with your clients?
Ultimately, what we're here for is to help people reach their goals. Whether it's weight loss, feeling more energized, being more available and energized for their families. That's what we're here for, and just to really give people the tools and resources they need on a day-to-day basis.
Tell me, are there any fitness trends that you're following or even starting?
We tend to focus more on the core essentials that are going to get you to your goal. And that's why we tie in like the resistance training and the intervals when it comes to cardio. Nothing really gives me, and I can really speak for our coaches as well, greater joy in seeing our members be successful.
What is unique to Bfit's workouts and atmosphere, and how does it play a positive role in the community spirit?
So a big part of what we do as well beyond the workouts is really with nutrition. We like to make sure that everybody not only understands what's necessary to reach their goals through the foods that they eat, but also being able to give them the tools, the resources, whether it's meal plans, recipes.
What do you think, somebody moving into Bedford can expect from this community?
Bedford itself is a great small town, and I think it's becoming ever popular with the great school system, as well as shops that are opening up, and it's just more of a welcoming place. Beyond, I've lived in bigger cities and I've lived in bigger towns, and it's really nice to have that smaller town feel where you can build a connection with your neighbors.
So glad we could stop by today, Brian, and if you have any questions or comments for Brian, you can reach him by stopping by, calling, or reaching him on social media.
Yeah, feel free to reach out with any questions at bfitbedford.com, Bfit Bedford Fitness and Nutrition on Facebook. Never hesitate, we're always here to help, and thank you so much for letting me be a part of this, guys. I appreciate it.
Absolutely, thank you. Thanks so much. You can find us at barrettsotheby'srealty.com and check out the links below for our social media pages. I'm Laura.
And I'm Sheila.
And we're happy to be connecting to the community here in Bedford.